Abhishek, you are from which university?
Sir, Jaipuria School of Business.
Jaipur. Oh, acha. You are doing MBA in finance.
Finance. Yes, sir.
Oh, oh, good, good, good. Excellent. Why did you prefer MBA finance?
Sir, because we can get vast knowledge about the how money works, and then we can make our money work also, and we can
Hmm,
make huge return on our money, and
hmm,
and we get to know the different aspect of finances.
hmm. Now you said how money works. Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
how money is working?
Sir, basically everybody is making money just by rotation of money,
Hmm.
just by doing the rotation. Yes, sir.
What are the advantages of money and mm, in what way is it related to finance?
Sir,
See, for this
yes, sir.
question, how you can manage is number one.
Yes, sir.
See, a study of finance will help one to learn about the commerce also. The
Yes, sir.
study of commerce is a very important area for, say, uh, dealing with in business. For
Yes, sir.
example, when we are interacting with another businessman, we should know his business standing, his business reputation. Similarly, as a bank, when we are dealing with customers, we should know the ability of the person, the capability of the person by going through the records. So, and that is what is making banks decide whether to give finance to a particular person or not. So, finance plays a very important role, and moreover, finance is again the most important factor in the economy of the country, whereby it makes an economy grow or go down in its performance. So, and there are more job opportunities in this area.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Now, can you please tell me what are the factors that impressed you in our Federal Bank website?
Sir, Federal Bank website is very eye-catchy, and sir, it is very simple. Uh, I got to know about every product and services that the bank is that Federal Bank is offering. And sir, there is one small assistant there which helps you if you want if you have any query, that assistant will help you. And sir, I got to know about what are the uh, different innovations of Federal Bank, the mission and vision of the Federal Bank. And sir, I can easily pay my telephone bill, my electricity bill, and my rent through Federal Bank website. And sir, I can open a Demat account and can easily make investment there. I can purchase sovereign gold bonds there. And sir, it is very good. Yeah, it is.
Good, that's right. Now, which aspect of it you like very much, very, 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 very much?
Sir,
Uh,
that they have an assistant which helps you. If you have any problem, the assistant will help you.
what is the name of that assistant?
Sir, its name is Fedi.
Hmm, good. Now, can you please tell what are all the factors you know about Federal Bank?
Sorry, sir.
What are the things you know about Federal Bank?
Sir, I know that Federal Bank is started by KP Homis in the year 1931, and sir, its current CEO is Sham Srinivasan. CEO and MD is Sham Srinivasan, and so Federal Bank is preferred choice for Federal Bank is preferred for personal NRI and business banking partner, and so it has growing customer base in India, both in rural and in urban. And sir, its manifestation is that digital at the fore and human at the core. And sir, the
Hmm,
company is striving to become the best bank, and
hmm,
its mission is to work in the interest and work to the interest and expectation of its stakeholders, like its customer and its shareholders.
mhm.
And sir, Answer. I have looked out I have analyzed the financial statement of Federal Bank,
Hmm.
and I got to know that the company has better ROA, ROE, EPS, NPA, and P ratio better than any other competitor bank.
Can you please explain what is it you are telling? ROA, ROE, what is that?
Sir, ROA is return on asset, ROE is return on equity. Sir, return on asset is how much a company is using this asset to earn business or to make money. And sir, ROE is return on equity. EPS is earning per share. Sir, looking at IDFC First Bank or AU Bank or any other bank, uh, the earning per share of Federal Bank is higher. And sir, NPA is lower than most of the banks. And sir, from past year, the Federal Bank has also, from past year comparison, Federal Bank has lower NPA. And sir, the P ratio is 12.12, which is considered a good P ratio as the bank is not overvalued.
Super. Good answering. Please tell me what is CSR?
Sir, CSR is corporate social responsibility.
Explain.
Sir, uh, every business, uh, whose turnover is greater than 500 crore, they have to do CSR. And sir, Federal Bank is doing the social responsibility by providing a, KP Hobbes charitable trust, I guess, which provides for free education of children. And sir, they are making healthcare. Sir, actually, currently, I don't know what the CSR of.
See, actually, I think whether you told correctly, I don't know. This will help you know about it. What is CSR? The Companies Act 2013 provides for CSR
Yes,
under
sir.
Section 135.
Yes, sir.
It is mandatory for the companies covered under Section 135 to
Yes, sir.
comply with the CSR provisions in India.
Hmm.
Companies are required to spend a minimum of 2% of their net profit over the preceding 3 years as CSR.
Okay, sir.
See, actually, why I started reading this in detail because at one stage you said turnover of 500 crore. That is wrong. I think it is profit of 500 crores.
Yes, sir. I was a bit confused between that.
Yeah, that is why I started reading this. So I suggest you go to Google, search
Yes, sir.
India Corporate Social Responsibility Law. There
Okay, sir.
you are getting so many questions like this. What is the new CSR policy in India? Why CSR law is not success in India? Is
Yes, sir.
India the only country to make CSR mandatory? When
Yes,
did
sir.
CSR became अरे बाबा इतना क्वेश्चंस है ये सबको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
Okay, sir.
Good. Can you tell me something about car loans?
Yes, sir.
No, no. Whenever a topic is given, I
Hmm.
think I have told you already, you should analyze from 7 Ws. What, when, why, where, how, which, who. What is car loan? For whom car loan is given? Why is car loan given? How is car
Uh,
loan given? How it is protected? How it is propagated? Something like that. Everything you can elaborate like this. बताइए अभी.
sir, when an individual buys a car and he doesn't have sufficient amount of money, then he take car loan from the bank. Or
Yes, correct,
and sir,
correct,
yes,
correct,
sir.
correct. Correct. Tell me. बट
Actually, I
इसको
don't know.
इसको इंट्रोडक्शन अब ब्रीफली ऐसा कर सकते हैं. बैंक्स गिव
Yes, sir.
80% ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार्स,
Yes, sir.
giving 20% margin. You please go through Federal Bank whether they say 20% or 15% margin देख लीजिए. They give it
Okay, sir.
and because of this, people who do not have ready cash can also buy cars. Number
Hmm.
two, it results in production of more cars in our country, and it gives employment for thousands of people, and it improves the economy of the country. So that is the reason. Mm, Yeah,
And sir,
this much,
bank also an
and
interest.
bank gets interest on that.
Yes, sir.
And the security can also be easily done, like the hypothecation in favor of the bank is registered in the registrar books, or RTO office books,
Yes, sir.
regional transport officer books. It is entered. People do mistakes there also, people do frauds there also. ये लोग नंबर को चेंज कर देते हैं, बहुत कुछ करते हैं, वो तो दूसरा बात है. हम लोग let
Yes,
us
sir.
talk about the right one. Good. Now, can you talk to me like this, a few points on credit cards?
Which card?
Credit cards, Federal Bank credit card, debit card.
Yes, sir. Credit card is basically use now and pay later service, in which the bank will pay the amount on behalf of you, and they will give a time in which you have to submit. You have to submit the payment to the bank.
Why banks give credit card? What is the advantage for credit cards for the banks?
Sir, sir, because banks, if people doesn't pay the amount on time, then the bank can charge high interest on the amount of the people. And sir,
Correct.
and it also makes a habit, and it also makes a habit among the people that they purchase everything on credit. And sir, bank earns very much from it.
That is right. But another advantage for banks is that when credit card holders go and buy, there is a merchant fees. There
Yes,
is
sir.
there's an element of fees that is going to the bank also.
Yes, sir.
By sitting at one place, bank is getting this income.
Yes, sir.
When they use our debit card or credit card, they get it.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between usage in credit card and debit card?
Usage.
Hmm.
I
Who
don't
will
know about
use
use.
who will use debit card? Who will use credit cards? Persons who have balance in the account will use debit
They will use
cards.
debit card. Yes, sir.
Persons who do not have balance in the account
In
and
the
who
account.
want to use the credit facility will
Yes.
use credit cards.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, why should I select you as an officer? And are you willing to be posted somewhere in Delhi?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to relocate in Delhi.
No
And
problem.
sir, because of my no, sir. And sir, you should select me because I have similar experience. I have similar sales experience, and I have good communication skill, good networking skill, and I can easily make friends, and I can easily acquire customer for the bank, uh, and can complete my uh,
Acha, you
hello.
said some similar experience. What is that experience?
Sir, actually, I have worked with Yakult Danont India, where I have to make customer aware about Yakult product. They have launched a new Yakult Light product, and sir, I have to sell these product to the customer. And if they had any query, then I'll be there to solve their problem. And
What
sir, I
is
have to increase their sales in. Yes, sir.
yeah? What is CSB?
CSB.
1 minute. Sorry, CBS.
CB, sir, I don't know CB.
CBS is core banking solution. Have you not read about it? It's a very
No, sir.
important point. Core banking solution is a concept used to is a software used to link all the branches of the bank with the head office server,
Okay, sir.
so that the services can Mr. X who has got account in A branch can transact in his account in B branch.
Okay, sir.
You
Sir,
don't
this
know about
software
this?
that no,
You
sir,
know
but
the
I got to
famous
know this.
famous software is that Infosys, Finacle, and TCS banks, BANCS software. It's a very important point from the point of view of commerce students. You must know what is core banking solution, what is internet banking, what is
I know
mobile
about internet
banking,
banking. I know about
advantages
these
of
things.
internet banking, disadvantages of internet banking, virus attack on banking, like
Yes, sir.
this, all these questions you must be thorough.
Sir, I just heard this term now only CBS
Mhm. Core banking solution.
solution. Yes, sir. Software
Then
used to link
the bank
branches to
branches.
headquarter.
Yeah. Now, do you know about NPCI?
NPCI. No,
अरे
sir.
भाई ये सब बिना जान के कैसे जाएंगे आप? एमबीए
N
पढ़ने वाला.
NPCI, sir.
NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India.
No. Okay, sir.
Have you not heard about it?
Sir, I've heard about it.
It's a very important organization which has got platforms like UPI, then National
Oh, yes, sir. Sir,
Automated
I've heard
Clearing,
about it. Yes.
National Automated Clearing House, IMPS, National Financial Switch, Bharat Bill Pay,
Okay.
आधार enabled, ये सब आप पढ़ना है. Please go through
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
npci.org. Whenever we go for
Okay, sir.
bank interviews, we must be thorough with all these things. Please write down, note it.
Yes, sir. I'm noting it.
First thing is fully basics of RBI.
Okay, sir.
Being a commerce students, they will ask you how the tools are used by RBI to achieve its objective.
Yes, sir.
Number two, IRDAI.
IRDI. Okay, sir.
Automatically, you must know about LIC, General Insurance
Yes, sir.
Corporations, etc. Also
Yes,
about
sir.
ECGC.
ECGC. Okay, sir.
Then comes, you must know about, say, National Housing Bank.
I know about it, sir. National Housing
Next,
Bank, SIDB,
you
NABARD.
must know about NABARD,
I know about it, sir.
SIDB,
Yes, sir.
then Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange,
Yes, sir. I know about it.
then SEBI,
Yes, sir.
SEBI, then NPS,
Yes, sir.
then comes, what is the other one? PFRDAI,
Okay, sir.
then Union Council of Ministers,
Okay, sir.
State Ministers,
Sir, State Minister of what is it?
Rajasthan, because you
Okay,
are
sir. I
from
know about.
Rajasthan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next, next, uh, the all the 28 states and 7 union territories, names, capitals, chief ministers, governors.
Okay, sir.
Then famous tourist places in your area,
Yes, sir.
your native place, what is its speciality, important people, important people from your locality living, those who were living,
Oh, yes, sir.
any historical happening in your place.
Okay, sir.
Then about your name, of course, it is famous Nitish Kumar. Sorry, not Nitish
Abhishek.
Kumar. You are Abhishek. Abhishek Bachchan. So there
Yes, sir.
can be famous personalities in this name and their achievements.
Yes, sir.
That's all. This is your interview. Best wishes tomorrow. Attend the interview. Send me immediately the questions they are asking.
Thank
Mostly
you, sir.
40% of the questions will come within what I have asked you in the two interviews. You must be able to do it very well.
Sir, I've learned the question you asked yesterday.
Mm. Pardon?
Yes, sir, I've gone through the question you asked yesterday. Na? I have gone through all that and I've
Uh,
learned all about it.
you want to say something on that?
No, sir, I understood all that.
Very good. Best wishes. I think I have covered in detail to you almost all the things.
Yes, sir.
Um, and you know, sorry, I have not touched on ratio analysis, debt service coverage ratio, and then um, current ratio,
I know
then
current ratio, quick ratio.
debt equity ratio. I don't know. So many ratios are there. And
Yes, sir.
then
I'll
yeah, talking about credit analysis, there is a concept known as credit monitoring arrangement,
credit.
CMA.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
उसका वो भी पढ़ लीजिए आप, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, I will give you 85% marks because I have come across some MBA finance candidates who will
Yes,
be
sir.
answering much quicker than what you are answering with much more force,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
clarity. But you can also succeed. Federal Bank also needs people like you. I wish
Yes, sir.
you success.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Sir,
much.
actually, I have one question more.
Tell me,
Sir, if they ask me that, uh, why do you want to join Federal Bank? So, can you please suggest me some extra point also?
see, Federal Bank, this point, it has been given under the awards. You know? Federal
Hmm.
Bank is one of the leading private sector banks.
Okay, sir.
It has reached a profit of 704 crores, the highest profit in the last quarter, second quarter of last year.
Yes, sir. 53% rise.
Yeah. And the Federal Bank is the household name in Kerala. It has got an excellent reputation in Kerala.
Hmm.
Federal Bank also has a very is one of is the um, bank through which maximum inward remittances from non-residents are received.
Yes, sir.
Or if we are not direct very clear about it, you can say is one of the banks through which large amounts of foreign inward remittances are received.
Yes, sir.
Federal Bank is considered as the 63rd greatest place in Asia for working. It has
Yes, sir.
got it is treating its employees very well.
Yes, sir.
It has got so many awards or awards names. You please tell some
Sir, it has
IBA
received
award,
award from
some
IBA.
Buffetti award, some many awards. That also you say. Finally,
Yes, sir.
coming to an end, you say I am of the view that my future will be very good if I join this organization and I have an excellent career prospect.
Okay, sir.
Use adjectives and speak.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
best wishes. So this
Thank you,
is
sir.
being recorded and I will post it after a few minutes in our uh, YouTube channel. You also listen and try to improve it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, you are done well. I think I gave you 85. Now I can increase it to 9 also out of 10. But
Okay, sir.
much depends on your luck. 60% luck का ऊपर में चलता है. The moment you enter the room, the smile with which you go, that is what is more important. Now I
Yes,
am
sir.
switching off recording.